Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 4 simple ways to make your video look cinematic. It's all directly in your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot app and then just import your clips like this. And next, let's use effects to give your video that cinematic film vibe. Just tap on the clips and then go to effects and then choose effects again. And then go to retro, this one, and then just pick any styles that you like. In this tutorial, I will choose noise and then adjust the value or the intensity as you like. And then just take mark and then just tap the arrow, this arrow, to extend it all the way to the end of your video. Like this. Next, let's add smooth transitions between clips. Just tap icon between your clips, this one. Tap on it. And then just select any cinematic transitions that match your video smooth. And then adjust the durations of the transition. Like this, and then just repeat this step to all your clips. And next, for extra movement, just add animations at the start of the video and end of the video. Just tap on the first clips and then go to animations, this one, choose end, and then just choose animations that you like. I will choose this one and then adjust the durations as you like this, and then just take mark and then go to the last clips, choose animations again, and then choose out, and then just choose out animations that you like. I will do circle like this, and then just adjust the durations, and then just check mark. And for the final step, let's enhance the color with a filters. Just tap on the filters. And then just choose filters that you prefer. In this tutorial, I will use amber and then choose natural like this, and I will adjust the intensity like this, and then just apply the filter to the all clips like this, and here's the final result. And that's it for quick tips to give your video a cinematic look. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!